Okay, game. What? This is the kitchen. Sabi mo.
Come on, this is the kitchen. A beautiful kitchen.
Oh, so, ipakita mo lahat.
Here's the left.
Uh-huh.
And here's where you get ice, water. And here's where you get coffee, chocolate milk, and food, and halo-halo, and rice, and something Oreo, and even
Oh, sige
a
na.
cooker. And here's the big table, and here's the table, and
This is the island.
and here's all of that.
And the lababo and the washer.
Washer, please.
The table. Ay, nak.
Table.
And the backyard. Show the backyard na. Ay, yung kamay. Ay, yung backyard. Show the backyard.
The backyard is open.
The backyard is magulo. Ay, naku, magalaw. Hindi mahihilo yung titingin. Oo, sige. Sige na, ito nga.
Here's the backyard. Give me that.
Ano, pulutin mo yun. And there's our backyard.
Hey!
The backyard. Backyard again.
Don't.
Gando.
That's the backyard.
And where's the sala?
Here's the sala. Another sala.
The sala?
The door.
Sandali, dito lang sa sala muna. Ang layo mo na. In my bag. The aquarium. Papa's aquarium. Sabihin mo.
Aquarium, please.
Na magulo. There's the TV. Oh, sige na. Pinapanood mo.
And the papa don't know.
Game ka na ba?
Game ka na ba?
Hmm.
And come with us.
Show your room.
We
This is the entrance.
Here's
Buksan nga namin. Ay, hindi yung den muna na. First the extra den.
the den.
Entrance. And additional room. Yes. Ang lumang gamit.
Ma, look at me.
Oh.
Look at the camera.
Oh, nakita pa sila. Oh, your room. Show your room. Oh, turn off the light.
The door's over here.
Ay, ano muna? The garahe. Ay, yung upuan na nakalat ang garahe. O, laundry. Nasa yung laundry room. There's the laundry room na magulo. Ang daming labahan. Sige.
Place in the room. Place in the room. Here's my room. Where's the bathroom?
Yung room na na. Sige.
No, where's the bathroom, remember?
Oh, sige na nga.
Here's the bathroom. Here's
This is Chanel and Earl John's bathroom. Hindi pa. Ba't na sinasara na? Oh, show.
Here's the bathroom. Where's the bathroom?
Oh, saan the bathtub?
Hey, don't close the light.
Oh.
Come here.
Oh, don't play.
Come here.
Oh, say hi, Lola.
Hi, Lola.
Sige. Okay, lock na daan. Close na. Show your room.
Here's my room. Welcome. This is welcome.
This is Chanel's room.
Beautiful light.
Chanel's room. Wala pang ganong laman. And her closet. There.
Open.
Wag na! No need! Ala. Halina kayo. Pulutin mo yun.
Let me show you where.
Pulutin mo yun. Pulutin mo. Dahil bintana. Show your room.
Here's the here's the here's the
closet na magulo.
Oh!
You close the ano.
You do it. Okay. Here's the table, here's the table. Now, here's the bed, here's the Una, here's the closet, here's Mary, and Mary with a hollow and
SpongeBob.
do it to me. Now do it to me again. SpongeBob, Squidward, Tastic.
Okay.
Now let's go to show your room, please.
Magulo ata yung room namin. Hindi pa inayos ni Papa eh. Diyan kayo natulog. Pa, inayos mo na yung room? Ayos mo yung room. And here's the master's bedroom. Na magulo. There. Walang panglaman. Magulo pa. And the bathroom. Master's bathroom. Ayan. Bathtub. Sandali. Bathtub. The shower room. And the bath. Where's the toilet bowl? Siya namin. There. And, uy, ano kayo dyan? Closet! Sino yun? Show Papa's closet na magulo. Ay, Mama's closet muna.
This closet?
Mama's closet na magulo.
No, beautiful.
This is, aray ko, Mama's closet. And, oh, it's Papa's closet na mas magulo. Papa's closet na mas magulo. Diba? Mas magulo.
Hey, look at this Dora! Imagine!
Oh, hali na kayo.
Let's
Turn it
go!
off.
Mama!
Close the door.
Mom, let's try it.